We'll guide you through how to set out of office in Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Outlook. So you're planning on being out of office. We can then go and make sure that's set correctly in the new Outlook. So what we actually need to do is need to head over to the left and find the calendar option, come out of mail. Now you need to come to the top left and find new event and click there. Go and select event. You go and get this pop up. Now you can go and type in what's going on. You can go and type in holiday perhaps. You can then go down to the date and time here and click here. If it's just a part of a day, you can do that. But if it's multiple days, you can select all day. And then what you can do here is go and select how long it's for. Let's say it's for about a week. Then what you can then do is at the top, it's going to go and say free, but you need to go and click there and you want to go and set it to out of office. You can then go and add any notes you want to as well. And then when you're ready, you can go and press save. That's now been put on your calendar.